Hey guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you something different, something that is not in the kitchen. You guys have been asking me how I put my grills together for my live events. So I just purchased my new 8-burner event grill. It's a commercial grade grill with 8 burners and 2 tanks. We're going to show you how to put it together, how to store it. It is an awesome, cool, fun grill and I am in love with it. We have the owner's manual here. We're going to follow all the instructions, but I took a few of the pieces out: the handle, grill cover, the screws and stuff, and grates. It seems hard, but it's very simple. You follow the steps, which I'm going to show you in the video, and next thing you know, your grill is ready to go. The first step, I'm going to get everything out in the open. These are the heat cards. The silver screws with the screw gun and the wheels. I'm just gonna drop the screws in. It makes it so much easier with the electric grill. We'll do the same on the other side too. So we have the tires, and we're just gonna flip it over. I'm gonna just tighten these screws so the legs don't collapse. I'm gonna install these clamps. They're gonna hold the propane tanks. They're gonna go on the outside. Oops. Make sure you don't lose any screws, because that's problematic. I love my drill. I'm gonna repeat the same thing on this side as well. Make sure they're pointing out, not inside, because I did that. I built a whole grill and then I realized I had them facing the outside. I'm gonna install the debris tray and the grease tray. So what happens is you cook, everything falls on the tray here, and the grease from this hole goes into the tray right here. It's very important, and it's also important to change and clean it to prevent a lot of fires. The debris tray, there's little holes that they go in, and we're gonna install the grease straps. They just slide right in, and same thing on the other side. That's it. The main part of the grill now. I'm gonna take all the packing off. I like to work with a garbage bag right next to me so we don't make a big mess. Throw it out. Now we're gonna install the handles. Make sure this side stays up, because once you open the cover, it rests on this, on the 2 pieces of rubber, so it doesn't scratch your grill. Screw it in. I'm going to repeat the same step on this side as well. I'm going to just put them in slightly and screw them in with the drill. So we have the frame built and we have the top built. What we're going to do is we're going to put this on top of the frame and latch it, but I highly recommend getting somebody's help putting it on, because it's really heavy and I don't want you to get hurt. I want you to see how beautiful it is. Almost ready. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna latch it. This is very important. So this locks it in. Always keep it in locked position. She's locked. And we're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. I cannot emphasize enough, you make sure it's locked. So the frame is attached to the top of the grill. So when you're moving, nobody gets hurt. So now I'm gonna start working on the inside of the grill. I'm gonna open it up. Nice and easy, you don't wanna scratch your beautiful grill. This latches in. Make sure the latch is in place. Alright, so these are heat guards. We're gonna install them in between the burner. heat guard. Great. The right way, obviously. This is it, guys. The grill is ready. Look how gorgeous and beautiful it is. I love the stainless steel work. I love the knobs. I love how it collapses and turns into a small little grill, and you can put it in the back of your truck or your van. The full span of the grill is 60 by 60. Inside you can cook about 85 to 90 burgers at a time, and I'm talking about 8-ounce burgers. It's a monster. It's gorgeous. Now, the thing I love the most about this grill is the ignition. So what we're gonna do is and check. Oh yeah. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. Oh yeah. We did the construction, we did everything else. Now we're gonna test it. So before we do the testing, I'm gonna install the propane tank. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. Make sure it's in. Construction is complete, propane tanks are installed. Now we're gonna go for the final test. And wow, look at that. Totally in love with it. What a beautiful grill. Everything about it is just perfect. I've used it on endless live events. The grill shows up. It is one after another, and it cooks consistently throughout 4 or 5 hours of cooking. I love this, I stand by this, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Because putting it together seems difficult, but it is a few steps. Make sure you follow the instructions, you follow the video, and you will have this. I'm gonna start putting it away. So you collapse the wind guard. Take the side. Make sure it doesn't fall on your finger, if that hurt. Guys, this is it. I had a great time making this video because I love putting my grills together. Hopefully you like this video, and please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Basant style.